Hey folks, Tom Rigsby here from TomRigsby.com, continuing our conversation this week about a vision-based framework for your success. Today, we're going to talk about how to translate that vision and your goals into projects and tasks right here on 7 Minutes in the Morning. Well, hey folks, this is 7 Minutes in the Morning. It's your daily dose from me, Tom Rigsby, your business coach. My job and what we try to do here on the show is take one business topic a day and answer some questions around it to help you build a better business. Well, this week we're talking about how to use a vision-based framework. Now, the big plus that you get from using this vision-based framework we've been going over is alignment. Right? If you start with the vision drives your goals drive projects and tasks, and those tasks are what you execute on every day, then you know that the work you're doing every day will complete tasks that lead to goals that ultimately bring you to your vision. See how that alignment works? And then underneath it all, we've got your values. We'll talk about those some more tomorrow, but let's talk today about projects. So we've already talked about the vision, how you can come up with a vision for kind of your perfect scenario, and how out of that vision come your goals and your BHAG, that big, hairy, audacious goal. Right? So how do those translate into projects? Well, we just continue to break down the same way that we broke the vision down into steps to come up with goals. You just break those goals down into projects. Now, from a time frame perspective, a project is probably 3 to 6 months worth of work. Anything much longer than that, I think that falls into your goal category, right? So something that you can draw up, plan, execute, wrap up, all within that 90 to 180 day range. Now, once you have the project outline, you want to continue breaking that down into the tasks. What are the things you need to do on a daily basis to complete that project? Now, they might be recurring things that you need to do over and over and over again, or they might just be a list of one-off things. Whatever the case is, let the project and the goal that the project came from help you derive that list of tasks. Now, once you have the tasks, check that against how you're actually spending your day. And I would suggest to you that at least once a week, if not once a day, check the things on your daily to-do list to make sure they're aligned with those tasks. Now, what I find with a lot of my clients is that the actual tasks that they have on their to-do list don't really line up with their goals. Well, but they can't get rid of them because they're important. Well, I mean, these things need to get done, right? Well, I don't know. Maybe, but probably not. I think if they needed to get done, see, because we began with the end in mind, that vision's driven goals drive projects and tasks. If you don't have a task that comes out the other side, it's probably not something that it should be very high on your project list. And to be perfectly honest, I don't know if you can hear this or not, but it's raining. I love to be out here in the rain. So when you have tasks on your to-do list, they don't line up with those tasks that come from the vision-based framework. Be very, very cautious before pursuing those. And certainly don't let yourself get caught up in the day-to-day kind of hamster wheel of activity and feel that just because you're busy, you're making progress. You know, I like to tell the story or use the analogy, you know, I can be really busy digging a ditch with a tablespoon. That doesn't mean I'm working on the right things or using the right tools or that there even needs to be a ditch here, right? So be very cautious as you are checking your to-do list against your tasks. All right? As always, if you've got questions about our topic this week or just questions you'd like for me to address on an upcoming episode, please send those to me in email. You can reach me at tom@tomrigsby.com. Now, I want to give a big heads up to everybody. I just made a little bit of a change on Twitter today. Previously, you may have connected with me at JT Rigsby. Well, I've updated that to match all of my other URLs so that we'll have some consistency going there also. Now, you can find me on Twitter at Tom Rigsby. It's THOMRIGSBY, at Tom Rigsby on Twitter. And as always, I'd love it if you'd stop by iTunes and leave us a review. Did you know that the more reviews that we get, positive or negative, the higher this show raises in the rankings because it counts as activity for the show. So if you'd like to help other business owners find the same information that you're getting right now, absolutely free, head over to 7minutesinthemorning.com/iTunes. Leave us a review there. I'd really appreciate it. All right, that's it. Until tomorrow, we're talking about values tomorrow, wrapping up the week. So until then, my name is Tom Rigsby. I'm your business coach.